Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Effigos Xray Explorer. In this tutorial, we will focus on the specific features of our 3D software. Detailed descriptions of all tools can be found in our general Effigos Explorer tutorial, which can also be found at xray.effigos.com. If you have not yet activated your license, you can do so by clicking on the key icon and entering your license key in the appropriate field. Please note that certain functions are enabled depending on the license type, while grayed out areas are not included. The 3D model is displayed in the center of the application and you can interact with it using the mouse or touch input. Use the left mouse button to rotate and the right mouse button to move the model. Zooming is done with the mouse wheel or the pinch gesture. Holding the left mouse button down brings up a context menu showing the name of the structure and options for adjusting its visibility. At the top of the title bar, you can switch between the Positioning, X-ray and 3D Anatomy modules. Note that X-ray and 3D Anatomy are only available after you've selected a position. On the left is the menu bar with editing tools, an information display, and the settings where you can change the language, the background, and the touch sensitivity. At the bottom of the quick selection, choose between the standard positions. After selecting a position, the patient and the X-ray system are correctly positioned. Click on the eye in the menu bar on the left for more information. For the knee and ankle joint, examples of incorrect positioning and associated information are displayed. A live view is displayed on the screen in which you can highlight relevant structures using the mouse pointer or the structure list. The X-ray module displays an X-ray image and the associated 3D model of the bony structures. The eye provides you with quality criteria for X-ray images. Use the tools in the menu bar to explore the 3D model as you wish. Search for or label structures. Display a list of full structures in English or Latin. Color structures, or set any desired sections. Use the image export tool to quickly create screenshots. In addition to detailed 3D models, the 3D Anatomy module offers additional tools to create customized 3D views and save them as presentations. Use the drop-down menu to switch between 3D models of the musculoskeletal system. Use the presentation tool to load, create, and save your presentations. Make sure you save your 3D presentations locally on your device. 3D presentations will then play through the media center. For more information, including the general Effigos tutorial, please visit xray.effigos.com. If you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. We hope you enjoy exploring the Effigos Xray Explorer.